Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Carol and this is Carol Steel Action Plan. So I have another unboxing because everything I was waiting for yesterday showed up today. So let's have a little fun, shall we? Okay. I think I'll start with I think I'll do the Boxycharm last. That leaves me with Beautylish. Oh God, here comes Duncan, my assistant. Duncan, every package is not for you. Do you want to say hi to the people, Duncan? Come here. Come on. They can't even see you. Okay, so here we go. This is the Conspiracy eyeshadow bundle. I tried to get the lip bundle too, but really, but while I was making the order, it sold out, so it was removed from my cart, which is fine. I think I'm probably not going to get it after all. Maybe I'll get a couple of the shades. You know, they package. I love Beautylish. They package things so well. And this is the bundle. I got a cup. Duncan, really? I know how to open a package by my own self. I'm not going to save this box because I am getting ready to do a destash, and I'm going to just mail some makeup to people that maybe they can't afford to buy a bunch of makeup, and even if they can, you know, and they're full of crap, that's fine. I'm not using stuff. It's going to sit there and get old, and I don't want that. But if I get rid of stuff, I will have room for more stuff. This is a mini controversy. Let me get this out the bubble wrap first. And then here is the Conspiracy. Duncan, this is not for you. I need this for packaging, okay? Don't be like that. So let's have a look-see. I considered doing swatches, but everyone else is doing swatches, so you guys know what it looks like. So that's gonna be my deal, I think, because I'm not the best swatcher in the world. Plus, I'd have to probably do thigh swatches because of the tattoos. So, but yeah, the outer packaging is nice. So here is the mini. I can work with that. And then let's see the other one. See, I don't like, the only packaging I save from brands is Pat McGrath because that's some good stuff. This is good as well, but what are you gonna do? So this slides out like so. The only thing I don't like about this is reminding me of Blue Blood and also Alien. The only thing I don't like about the odd shaped palettes is they're harder for me to store. And I'm a gal with not a lot of space at this time for storing my shit. So, but I'll make it work. I always do. And so this is the Conspiracy. It's got the same little latch. Don't get what you do. It's so weird. Yeah, it's similar to like how Blue Blood was like a coffin. This is some other deal. I'm surprised that these didn't have any plastic covering like the shadows, but everything's cool. I'm not mad at it. So I'll be playing with those this weekend. So that's that. And then so because I had a couple of things in my cart already from Beautylish, so I will show you those two. It's nothing major. I've been wanting to try their Good Molecules cleansing balm. I like a nice cleansing balm. There we go. Let's focus, bitch. And so this, I literally just got home from work. I was like, oh, packages. Because I am tired. I was up late cooking last night. Really, Duncan? Ah, man, he's like up and down. You're the most spoiled cat I ever knew. You're gonna say hi to the people since you're interrupting me all the time. Come here, he's so big. What do you want from me, huh? I'm trying to do a video here. You're not helping. Duncan. Say hi to the people. All right. He'll be back. He's always back. So this is the cleansing balm. Oh, it's got a little spatula. So this is good molecules. I'm hoping that this is gonna be like the Clinique Take the Day Away or whatever. But it's less expensive. That's awesome, Carol. Why don't you drop stuff on the cat hair floor? So this is the balm to take my makeup off. So this morning, because I get gas at Safeway, because I get the rewards, the gas rewards. So, you know, I go to work, you know, I get to work close at 5-ish or so. And so I go to Safeway in Marysville on the way to work, because it's cheaper gas, and it was all closed off. And I'm like, shit. Because I'm running low on gas, and tomorrow's Friday, and la la la. I was like, all right, fine. So I'll go to the one here in Bothell, which is not that out of the way, but a little bit out of the way. And I go there, and the guy's like, closing that one too. And I just barely made it. Because I guess there are problems with the club card situation, whatever. So that sucks. Can't have that. So the other thing I got was the Jeffree Star lip kit in the shade Dominatrix, because it looks like it's a brown, and I'm trying to replace. Really, Duncan? God, you're impossible sometimes. To replace, I'll show you. Because it looks like they're not doing the Vice liquid lips anymore of Urban Decay. Really? So this cat is right here on my lap, and I'm trying to do the work of the Lord, Duncan. So I'm trying to replace this shade. It's 1993 or 92, or it's 90 something. And it's pretty, it's a couple years old. No, it does not smell good. I didn't mind the Urban Decay Vice liquid formula. It's a little dry and got a little crusty, but I'd use a topper, so that'd dry the shit up anyways. So I'm gonna compare real quick. Sorry if I'm boring you. I'm doing what I can to be entertaining. Oh yeah, so I was going to get gas, and I got at the last minute, because I could have ran. Oh, this is pretty close. I like a nice brown. Here, we could swatch. And then it came with the liner. Here, let me shake it up. What I don't like about these liners, well, they're soft. A little soft. I actually like the liner formula better for Gerard Cosmetics. But the thing I don't like about, damn it. Thing that I do not like about the liners is the top, because it doesn't fit, and it's like harder to fit in things. I know you're fancy, Jeffree, and I love you. I love your shit, but this is, come on. So this is a brown. I like that's a little darker. Okay, there's the Jeffree Star one. Very excited. Here's the Urban Decay. Yeah, the Urban Decay one is lighter, but I'm not mad at it. So this can be my replacement, I think, right now. That's a win, because I like this formula, and I just don't like the top of this because it doesn't fit in things. So I guess I'm gonna find some old lip liners and just put those caps on for now. And if I want to get fancy and showcase my makeup, if I ever in my life get a beauty room, and then I also want a kitchen with an island in the middle for my cooking. Also, Beautylicious is cool because they send you samples. Duncan, come on. This is, it's Good Molecules niacinamide. It's probably for my redness. There's nothing in the freezer. Come on, don't be a jerk. So that's going on, and so that's my package from Beautylicious. And next we have Color Pop that I just ordered. So I'm basically on a no-buy until Black Friday, when I'm going to be buying the Melt Holiday Collection because it looks cool as hell. And first things I bought from Melt were the Radioactive Collection, and I love it, and I love the formula that they have. So this is basically the whole Color Pop Smoke and Mirrors of this Smoke Mirrors Holy Smokes collection, which is I bought it because I wanted it, but I have a whole gray palette. Maybe I'll give that away too. So the Smoke Show. I'm really dumping. So here's the eyeliners, and then the Super Shock. I just got all of it because you know, that's what I do. I am being harassed by a cat. He loves bubble wrap. He's gonna take this and run away. Here, do you want this? But then he slobbers on it. It's so super gross. Hey Duncan, do you want some bubble wrap? Do you want it? Do you want it? Come on. Wow, you're not being a YouTube star, are you? All right, go ahead, knock yourself out. And then so the last one package is the November Boxycharm. So remember yesterday I unboxed the premium box. So what happened is this month you had to get the premium and the regular one. And so I think that next month they don't have it set up so you can just have premium and Boxy Deluxe. So I might have to get all 3 boxes next month. And so, I'll be okay. But so I'm going to compare the two. So yesterday's was pretty dope. And that $150 eye cream, I'm wearing it. I wore it. I like it. It's cool. So this again the same theme as the premium, but even this is thicker paper than this one. I guess this is also called Stellar. So this one has, here is Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. I will share this out. There's 2 of them, so I'll give one to Mark, and we'll do a little eye mask party together. What's it say about it? This says, Pop Band Starry Eyes Pop Mask set up to. These self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in depuffing and relaxing. You'll find they may help ease migraine, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, your eye mask will start to gently warm. This cat is trying to go into my box right here. Pop the loops around your ears, sit back and relax. All right, well, excellent. Hey, I love you too, Duncan. So next we have a dose of colors. And this shade is Date Night. There's some noises outside. What the hell is going on? So Dose of Colors, Date Night, liquid matte lipstick. It's red. I have lots of reds. I may or may not keep it. I might give that away too. I'm good. I don't mind. Hey, really? Dude, if you could see this cat right now. He's being a little ridiculous. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. And this says it is a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic antioxidant enriched botanical juices work to reduce the... Oh, this is for $50, yo. That's cheaper than the box. So I'm definitely going to keep that. Stem cells, interesting to me. I had wanted to see about stem cell treatment to restore my left side better. Because you may or may not know that I had something sort of like a stroke. I had a brain trauma injury. And so I had lost the left side of my body. And so I think my boyfriend's home. And here is a little sample. And I'm filming.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Want to say hi to the people?
Hi, people. Am I supposed to be doing the wheel?
No, I'm not ready for the wheel right now.
It's like a...
But look, I got a self-warming eye mask to share with you. We got two.
Wonderful. Let's get those wrinkles to disappear.
Right? I love when they give me two so I can share with my favorite.
Oh, wow.
And then this one is the Farsali Rose Gold 24 Karat Skin Mist. Looks like Goldschlager. If you don't know what it is, look it up. I have a story about Goldschlager. Maybe we'll have a story time sometime.
That stuff is nasty.
It is nasty, but it's fancy. And then the last thing is Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. There we go. I've heard some fairly decent reviews of her stuff, so I will let you know. But I can work with these colors. I'm not going to swatch it right now because I got things to do, like clean up my mess. It was like a cavalcade of joy in the mail for me today.
A what?
A cavalcade of joy.
Oh, yeah?
Because I had 3 packages of makeup.
Yay for you.
I know. You didn't have any mail, though.
Oh, no mail for me at Nubbins?
No.
Nubbins, say hi.
There's Connor.
Hi, Connor.
That's Mark's favorite. Hi. All right. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. And if you're not already subscribed, I wish you would. And I will see you next video.